Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and this is Accelerando Piano Excerpts. These short videos are taken from my longer tutorials. They're highly focused and present one specific topic. While you won't necessarily get all the context you would from viewing the original tutorial, these are perfect if you're just after the simple, straightforward facts and how-to. Before we begin our Legato Pedalling Exercise, I just wanted to show you the resource page which I've got for this tutorial, which you can download from my Accelerando Piano website. And here it is. You can see it's got all the steps and stages, when to play the note, when to put the pedal down, when to lift the pedal, all the coordination, all the important things that you need to know. I've got a second page as well, and this outlines what the actual exercise would look like on the score. So feel free to download that from the website. You can use that as a guide and use it anytime at home, whenever you want. So let's do our legato exercise with our C major scale, just using your third finger. Now, we'll get ourselves lined up on the pedal, and the sustaining pedal is the one on the far right. And that's the one you would have seen me using when we did that little exercise before of how to have your foot on the pedal and how to use it. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a series of actions to a 3-beat pattern. I'll take you through it first so you can see how it all works, and then we'll go through in more depth after that. So, beat 1, play the note. Pedal down, beat 2, move on beat 3, and then beat 1 again, play the new note and lift the pedal. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the tricky bit is coordinating when your finger goes down and when the pedal comes up. That's what was happening on beat 1. What you want to watch out for, and I'll do the exercise again, is that when the note is fully down, the pedal is fully up. Think of them meeting in the middle. So I'll do that again and keep an eye out for the coordination of my finger going down and my foot coming up on beat 1. So here we go. So I start off 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Up, down, move. 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 Up, down. So that's the really important thing with legato pedaling. When you play your new note, the pedal is up and then it comes down after. And it's slightly counterintuitive because most people think, oh, I'm going to play my new note, I'm going to put the pedal down. Hey! But no, it's not. When you play your new note in legato pedaling, your foot, your pedal, is up. So I'll show you that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Foot up, note down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What you can try once you get really familiar and comfortable with that is you can start to put the pedal down a little sooner. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you could try this. 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Now I'll show you a couple of things you don't want to be doing. If you find there's a break in the sound, you're lifting your foot too soon. So I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3. Whoop, there's going to be a massive gap there. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. I've moved, but my foot is now up before I've put my note down. And you can hear there's a gap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to keep your sound continuous, you don't want to have that gap. So you're lifting your foot too soon. On the flip side, if the notes start to sound a bit smudgy and a bit blurry, you're not lifting at the right time. You're holding it down too long. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Instead of lifting my foot, I'm still holding it down. And you get that overlap of sound. 1, 2, 3. I haven't lifted. And you get that blurring effect. There's a neat saying. I don't know who said it, but it's great. You pedal with your ear, not your foot. But of course you do pedal with your foot. But by pedaling with your ear, you are having to listen. Okay, so if there's a break in the sound or if the sound's getting smudgy, you know some of that coordination isn't quite right. So, the two most important things. Number 1, your foot is up when you play the new note. And number 2, pedal with your ear.